Built to long last, our bullet antenna are made of high-quality 6061 solid billet aluminum, which is strong and durable, with hard anodize black finish that make the antenna bright and color-fast. Looks 100% better. The bullet-shaped antenna is modeled on a .50 caliber bullet in appearance. You will get tons of compliment and attention if you add this antenna on your car. No tool needed. Simply unscrew and remove the old antenna from your car, then mount the appropriate adapter for your car antenna mount. Finally install the bullet antenna to the adapter. The whole installation process will only take you a few seconds. Compatible with, package included 8 types of different screw adapters ends for your vehicle. Compatible with Ford F-Series, 1990 to 2020, Ford Ranger, 1990 to 2012, Ford Explorer, 1990 to 2010, Dodge Ram trucks, 1994 to 2018, Dodge Dakota, Dodge Durango. Not compatible with 2001 Dodge Ram, Jeep Grand Cherokee, 1993 to 2013, Jeep Cherokee, 2014 to 2019, Toyota Tundra, 2000 to 2020, Toyota Tacoma, 1995 to 2015, Toyota Sienna, 1998 to 2014, Toyota 4Runner, 2010 to 2017, Toyota FJ Cruiser, 2006 to 2014. Package include 1X antenna, 8X different size screw adapters, 2X ring. The thread type, please refer to the picture. If you have any question, please feel free to contact us. Top reviews from the United States. Worth it. Very easy to install, works great, no issues, I'm impressed and definitely recommend. Thanks guys.